Okay. So guys, like you can see our website. We are a registered company. Okay, so no one can take the Pinnacle ID name also. So
Hello, hello, हेलो.
yes sir. Full
हाँ
name कीजिए sir website.
हाँ हाँ, बोलिए.
Scroll it down sir.
ओके. हेलो.
Honorable guys,
हेलो.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है क्या?
हाँ सर, आ रही है.
Okay. सर टेस्टिमोनियल दिखाया सर.
ओके. यहाँ पे प्ले करना है सर.
Okay. So, no.
ओके.
So guys, you can see the testimonials, different testimonial of our previous student. Okay, from here. Sir, scroll it down, sir. More Google reviews, sir.
ओके.
Okay, we got the 57 reviews. All are 5 star. All are from our students only. Okay, and in the 2 months only. So we trained around 80 students, 80 to 100 students, and we got the 57 reviews. The previous last 2 months we got these reviews. And these are our alumni colleges. Sir, scroll down, PGA. Yes, these are our alumni colleges. You can see that. Okay. So about the internship. So in this internship, you will learn ETABS, RCDC, then SAFE, then Excel set, and the most important is manual design because you can learn the either of software from the YouTube also. Okay, software is easy, but the most important thing is manual design. Like if you are structural consultant and you are not knowing the manual design, then it is not possible to practice in the market. So the manual design is the most important concept in our field. So you will also learn the manual design from the Nikon sir, and the softwares are also important. Like you need to also cross check with the software as well. You need to also cross check with the manual design. So both things are important. But you will learn both things. So don't worry about that. And you are learning these all softwares are very much important in our field. Moreover, you will also learn the detailed drafting using AutoCAD. Okay, like what are the final drawing, side drawing, or good for construction drawing are there. You will also learn that how to make that. Okay. About the Nikun sir did the MTech in structure and he has the field experience of 5 years. And we own the consultancy. Like we are also do the practice in Gujarat in the 3 or 4 cities. Okay, in Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Junagadh, and nowadays we are also planning for the Jamnagar. So we are also practicing in the Gujarat. So you will learn by the consultant only. You are not going to learn by the educators. We are not educators. So there is a one problem with us that the timing issue. We are taking the lectures at 9 p.m. After closing our consultancy, we are starting lecture. So the timing issue is there, but we are also providing the lifetime record. Then one more benefit to you, we will provide the one more benefit for those who are attending the demo session. Okay, you will receive a coupon code, uh, and during the checkout you can apply that coupon code. At the end of session, we will provide that coupon code, and you can take a 2,000 rupees instant discount. Okay, and there is one more offer, that is group joining offer. If you are joining as a group of three, then AutoCAD and Revit is free. If you are joining as a group of five, then AutoCAD, Revit plus Primavera will be free. So now I hand I will not waste more time. I will hand over the session to Nikun sir, and again I will come back to you after the 20 to 30 minutes, and we will discuss how to enroll in that all. So please, Nikun sir, start the session from technical aspect.
ओके. गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल. जैसे सर ने मेरा नाम बताया, मैं सिर्फ निकुंज खंडाकर. और जो आपकी 30 to 40 डेज की ट्रेनिंग रहेगी, राइट, उसमें मैं आपको सब चीज़ डिले आउट करूँगा स्टेप बाय स्टेप. राइट, यहाँ पे आप में जो मेरी स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हो, वो पर्टिकुलरली हमारी समर इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम की कुछ हाईलाइट्स है, राइट. उसमें हमने कौन सा स्टेप कब किया, राइट। स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम यहाँ पे मैं यहाँ पे आपको शो कर रहा
Hello.
हूँ। हाँ बोलिए। हेलो।
Sir, English, sir.
ओके। So myself Nikun Sondagar, and here you can see our summer intensive program highlight. Okay, here we did step by step procedure to complete our 4 to 5 projects. Okay, then in the first day we will discuss about some basic overview of ETABS as well as AutoCAD drawing. Okay. Then second day we will try to understand the different grid systems using ETABS. Okay. So there are so many grid systems, and we have so many options to import the grid. We have architectural plan view, floor plan, right? Radial distance, okay, uh, node to node distance. So we have so many methods to import our drawing into our particular ETABS software. Okay, so we will discuss all the things. Then third and fourth day we will try to prepare some completed truss model as well as beam model. So where we are going to compare the result output, manual result with software result. Okay, so this is our input, right? And this is our output. So we'll cross check this output with our particular manual calculation. Okay, and also discuss about shear force diagram and a bending moment diagram. Okay, then next day we will discuss about important command which is used in ETABS during modeling, analysis as well as designing. Okay, then our main task and our first lab project, okay, where we are going to deal with actual real life project. Okay. So here you can see the architectural plan, and in the first day we need to provide a column location, right? So you can see here we are going to provide few columns. Okay, and the column is as per architectural requirement as well as structural requirement. Okay, then in the next day same project will import into our ETABS. Okay, one more thing, here we are dealing with this beams. Okay, and here we are going to draw a beam layout also. Okay, so where is the actual beam location, and we are going to send this actual beam position to architect to confirm the positioning of beam. Meanwhile we are going to import and prepare this model. Okay, after preparation model we need to assign different loads. So first here you can see the dead load, superimposed dead load due to our particular wall. So whatever you are going to provide one wall here, right, we need to assign this load. So here you can see the UDL load acting on all the beam, right. So how to calculate this weight per meter and all the things we will discuss in subsequent lecture. Okay, now very most important detailed discussion about IS 875 part 1 and IS 875 part 2. Can anyone tell me IS 875 part 1 is useful for which purpose and 875 part 2 is useful for which purpose?
So 875 part 1 is used for calculating dead loads
Dead load.
and part 2
Okay.
is used for calculating
Light
light
load.
loads.
Okay. Great. Right.
Yes, sir.
110%. 100. Right. Okay. So now we need to calculate this weight of floor. Like if we are going to provide any RCC floor, so you already know that this is particular RCC floor, and at exactly above the floor. We need to place some tiles. Okay, so we need to assign this load also. So we need to calculate this all the dead load using our IS 875 part 1. Okay, okay. Now we will discuss about the live load. Live load means our human load and all the other load which is movable. Okay, so we are going to assign the minimum live load as per our 875 part 2. So we have so many different loads. Okay, and what is the minimum load combination? Minimum load we will discuss in this lecture, in subsequent lecture. Okay, and here you can see in my screen, here you can see the load acting at a roof level. Okay, like here we assign a 1.5 kN per meter square live load at a roof level. But what is the actual roof? Is it accessible roof? Okay, and here you can see one another access not provided. At that particular point we are going to assign 0.75 kN per meter square. That means if you are going to provide any like inclined roof, inclined floor, so we need to assign only 0.75 kN per meter square load, because you are not able to stand here and sit here, right? So the load acting on a roof due to dead load. Okay, so this is very important. And we have another different loads for the sunk load, for the toilet, for the kitchen, for the balcony. We need to assign different loads as per our structural requirement. Okay, as well as staircase. Okay, so I would like to discuss that. Just give me 5 to 10 minutes. वो चीज डिस्कस करते हैं, ठीक है, थोड़ी देर में. Okay, then next assigning the dead load combination. This load combination is as per our IS 456 useful for the design of foundation. And
Sir, hello. Excuse me, sir.
बोलिए.
Sir, the thing is not visible in my screen right now. The presentation of everything.
So kindly leave the screen, leave the meeting and join once again.
Okay, okay, sir.
So this load combination is due to IS 456, which is useful for the design of footing. Okay, and in IS 1893 part 1 2016, the load combination is useful for the design of column, design of beam, design of shear wall. Okay, design of coupling beam. Okay, so all the things will design using AS 1893 part 1 2016. Okay, then this is completed detailing already done. Okay, by our students. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम represent कर रहे हैं वो चीज को. In subsequent lecture we will discuss these steps, right? How to deal with this deal and detailing our actual project. So here you can see the footing detailing. Okay, and this is particular column layout, position, sorry, reinforcement related to columns. Okay, here you can see this plinth beam design. Then this is ground floor design. Okay, here we assign the torsional reinforcement. So what are the importance of the torsional reinforcement? We will discuss in subsequent lecture. Okay, this is second floor layout, this is third floor layout, and this is terrace cabin layout. So we are dealing with foundation to top of slab level, that means terrace cabin level. We are not going to ignore all the things, right? As per architectural requirement, as per structural requirement. प्रेजेंटेशन शो नहीं हो रहा तो आप एक बार मीटिंग लेफ्ट करके फिर से ज्वाइन हो जाओ. ओके,
Hi, sir. I also tried it, but I'm not able to view your
भी नहीं हो
screen.
रहा है.
Even I also tried. I can't see your screen.
So
I'm facing voice lag.
Yes, sir.
means-
Yes, sir. It's not
screen is
visible right.
visible because मैं मेरे फोन से भी कनेक्टेड हूँ. ओके नो प्रॉब्लम. एक बार फिर से स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ.
स्क्रीन से फिर से कर दो.
Okay, so now you are visible. You are visible right now, but the presentation is still not coming up on my screen. Okay, now
now,
it's
now I'm
now it's
able to see
up.
the presentation. So can you just take 2 slides
Yes.
back, because after load combinations, it was completely blank out. Like we were not
Okay,
able
okay,
to see.
okay.
Sir, turn off your video, sir. Maybe it is possible due to that. And guys, those who are like, you can turn the speaker from your device, like from the speaker symbol. You can change the device to speaker, so your voice will also clear. Okay. So now, anyone facing the problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
सबको दिख रहा है?
No, sir. It's perfect right now.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Sir, start कर दीजिए.
So here we are discussing once again about the load combination. Here we are going to use IS 456 2000 for the definition of our load combination for the footing design. Okay. Footing design done by using IS 456 different load combination, and our column, beam, shear wall, coupling beam, and all the things we designing as per our IS 1893 part 1 2016. Okay. In subsequent lecture we will discuss this load combination in more detail. Okay. So here you can see one more important term. This is release. Okay. At a secondary beam we need to release the moment for that particular beam. Okay. That means I will discuss these things. This is very most important. Okay. This is our fixed beam, and this is our simply supported beam. Okay. You already know that the fixed beam having bending moment look like this, and simply supported beam bending moment look like this. So to release the moment at a support, we are going to provide some releases. So at that time this feature is coming. Okay. So we will discuss in depth, because this is a very large topic and we need to understand actual drawing. Okay. So we will discuss subsequent lecture. Okay. So this is particular our structure design. Here you can see this is architectural plan, and then this is our column positioning, sorry, footing design, footing layout, then column reinforcement detailing, and here you can see the plain beam design, and this is our first floor slab layout, second floor slab layout, third floor slab layout and beam design, and this is our terrace floor layout. So we are going to discuss all the things. That means we are considering from foundation to the top of structure. Okay. So how to prepare this drawing and all the things we will discuss in subsequent lecture. Okay. Then in next day we will discuss about design output, and here we are going to use RCDC software to design our footing. Okay. And here you can see the beam reinforcement, beam bending moment check, right? Shear force as well as bending moment. Okay. Okay. One more detailed discussion about this, and final stage we are going to prepare our footing layout. So as per architectural requirement, as per structural requirement, as per site requirement, we are going to prepare this sheet, right, for the site execution, and this drawing is already sent to the site for further work. Okay. So here you can see some highlights related to the same project. Same plinth beam layout. Okay. Then the design of column, by using ETABS and RCDC and prepare column layout. Guys, kindly mute your screen. Okay. Design of column using ETABS as well as RCDC. Okay. Then detailed discussion about 1390-2016 as well as 1893 part 1 2016. In more depth we discuss SP34, okay, and 16700. So 16700 is particularly useful for the higher structure. Okay, so we will discuss this IS 16700 and SP34. SP34 is basically useful for the detailing purpose. Okay, and then this is our project number 2. Same all the
Hello,
things.
sir.
हाँ बोलिए.
Can you please share this presentation in the WhatsApp group?
Definitely, we will share the presentation with you.
Because due to network issue, the means the presentation screen is coming blurry
Okay.
from our side.
No problem.
So we can't read some parts of the.
Definitely, we will share the presentation with you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. So this is project number 2. Okay, project number 2. Here we are going to deal with our column positioning first day, then preparation of model. Okay, then final model with all the load combination. Okay, here we are going to assign stair beam. So here you can see the stair beam. So we are going to detail look like this. So we are not going to ignore this beam. As per structural requirement, we need to provide each and everything. Okay, so in depth we will discuss about staircase and all the things. We will also discuss how to assign the staircase load and the different method to assign the staircase load. Okay, then next here we are going to assign the diaphragm. So diaphragm means, okay, I will give you some simple example. Okay, this is plan view and this is our plan view of our bed, and this is plan view of your our dining table. Okay, okay, now I am going to assign you some load, incline load, same for this bed and same for this dining table. So can anyone tell me, due to the bed and due to the dining table, the dining table is more push or bed is more push? मतलब यहाँ पे इफेक्ट कहाँ पे ज्यादा लगेगी, बेड पे लगेगी या डाइनिंग टेबल पे? हेलो, जब हम लोड लगाएंगे, कोई भी लोड यहाँ पे लगा रहे हैं राइट हम, तो उसकी इफेक्ट बेड में ज्यादा आएगी या डाइनिंग टेबल में ज्यादा आएगी? कौन सा ज्यादा डिफेक्ट होगा?
डाइनिंग टेबल.
ओके, कोई और?
सर बेड पर ही होगा, बेड पे ज्यादा लोड आएगा.
ओके, ओके, राइट.
Sir, depend करता है sir. Sir, it will depend which is the heavier one and what material
load
it
will
is.
same, load will
बट
same.
डाइनिंग टेबल
Sir, it will depend upon mass, sir.
It will depend on the
dining
material
table,
of the dining table.
मास की कोई बात कर रहा था,
Right.
वो सही आंसर
Whichever
था.
is lighter.
डाइनिंग
Sir, me, sir.
Yes.
Tejas.
डाइनिंग टेबल की जो मास की बात कर रहा था वो सही आंसर था, बिकॉज नाउ यू हर्ड अबाउट रिजिड एंड फ्लेक्सिबल.
Yes, sir.
So from our bed and dining table, the bed is flexible or rigid?
It is more rigid, sir, and dining table is flexible. So
Dining table is rigid. How can you say
Flexible,
the dining table is
flexible.
flexible?
So it all depends upon the, sir, mass and the, you can say, CG of both the things, and then we can.
Right, definitely. But दिस इज एक्चुअली हार्ड मटेरियल, आपका डाइनिंग तो हार्ड रहेगा और आपका बेड सॉफ्ट रहेगा.
Yes, sir. Hard right.
तो बेड इज काइंड ऑफ
Yes.
फ्लेक्सिबल मटेरियल एंड डाइनिंग टेबल इज रिजिड मटेरियल.
Of course, sir.
अब आप यहाँ पे कोई लोड असाइन कर रहे हो, राइट. अब बात करते हैं मेन पॉइंट की जो हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. आप यहाँ पे कोई लोड लगा रहे हो तो इसकी वजह से यहाँ पे डिफ्लेक्ट होगा ओनली. अगर आप डाइनिंग टेबल पे लोड लगा रहे हो तो योर ऑल द स्ट्रक्चर विल ट्राई टू मूव. एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir. Right.
Because the rigidity. So in our actual slab, we are going to deal with this thing. We are going to provide the rigidity to the structure, and for this purpose, we need to assign diaphragm. Okay, I hope you understand the basic difference between the rigid and flexible structure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then let us stage same design of particular RCC slab for plinth beam, first floor, second floor, third floor, terrace. Okay. Then project number 3, detailed discussion on industrial project. Okay. Same model preparation. Then project number 4. Okay, particular commercial soft building. Here you can see we are going to deal with this our soft detailing, right? Okay, this particular model commercial soft project number 4. Okay. Then here we are going to design of our eccentric footing. Okay. Here we have some eccentric footing, so we are going to deal with this thing also. Then this is our particular high rise G plus 20 story structure. Okay, so in my left hand you can see our ETABS model, and in my right hand you can see our AutoCAD file. Okay, so here you can see the particular model. See, I am going to tell you, मैं आपको जेन्युइनली एक बात बता रहा हूँ, इसका मैंने जो प्लिंथ बीम था और फर्स्ट फ्लोर का स्लेब था उसका मैंने सिर्फ मॉडलिंग किया है. रेस्ट ऑफ द ऑल द थिंग्स related to model preparation will done by our student, right. इसका जो भी मॉडल प्रिपरेशन था वो सब हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने किया है, राइट. मोस्टली हम 2 प्रोजेक्ट करवाते हैं, दैट मीन्स आपको हम टास्क असाइन करते हैं, राइट. जो स्टूडेंट्स ने ये सब टास्क किए हैं, मॉडल प्रिपरेशन विल डन बाय स्टूडेंट. ओके. Finalize ETS model as per our IS 16700 live project 5 G plus 20 story tall building. Okay. Here we are going to assign different loads, and all the loads assigned by our student. Okay. Now our main task, which is done by myself. Okay, related to definition. So here you can see the definition related to earthquake force, wind load, and response spectrum. Okay, so here we deal with the response spectrum, wind load also. Okay, so you can see the different load cases. Okay, and this is our particular load pattern: dead load, live load, earthquake force, wind load. Okay, so we are going to.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ सर, हाँ बोलिए.
Hello.
हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, what is the difference between the earthquake load and response spectrum? Like response spectrum is just another method to analyze the earthquake load on a structure, right? I think.
Right. In response spectrum.
So why do we have to put
I will tell
both
you.
earthquake load on? Okay.
Response spectrum, it is depending on time. Response spectrum is depending on time, and for our normal earthquake, which is not depending on time, as per time we are going to check the behavior of structure by using response spectrum method. Okay? By using response spectrum, with respect to time, we are going to check the behavior of structure. You can see here, right? See the behavior of structure in different modes. We need to check the torsion of this building. This is not visible in a normal earthquake force. This is multi-degree freedom system, right?
Okay, sir.
And if you are
Okay.
going to design with normal structure, that means normal earthquake force, this is a equivalent static analysis and single degree of freedom system. Here we are going to consider multiple degree freedom system.
Okay, so like in a normal earthquake analysis, we don't consider the torsion. We just consider translational movement of the whole
Right,
structure.
right.
But in this, we are also considering all the torsion and
Right,
everything.
for particular high-rise structure.
Okay, 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 sir.
I am going to show you all the models, right? Just for 5 minutes.
Sir,
Almost.
sir, someone is asking in the chatting, sir. Please reply them.
Okay. Sir, just 5 to 10 minutes wait करो. Answer करते हैं, ठीक है? Step by step.
Okay, and who says this no? Are you faculty from Pinnacle? So guys, don't say that like that. कुछ भी बोल रहे लोग ना, वो कोई फैकल्टी नहीं है. यस
बात
नहीं
नहीं, हम
बोलो. अब
आंसर कर
आपका
दिया
डाउट
आपके.
हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर में. सब लोग एक काम करेंगे, लास्ट में 10 मिनट डाउट का
आपका
रखेंगे.
जो भी
सर
डाउट,
आप कंप्लीट कर दो पहले. आपका जो भी डाउट है मैसेज में टाइप कर दो. सारे डाउट ले लेंगे लास्ट में 10 मिनट. ठीक है? प्लीज टाइप योर डाउट इन द चैट बॉक्स. लाइक वी विल टेक ऑल द डाउट्स इन लास्ट 10 मिनट. यस निकुंज सर, कंटिन्यू.
so in the next step we are going to design the raft foundation. Here you can see the design of raft foundation. Here we are going to deal the slide project 5. Okay, यहाँ पे उसका हमने raft foundation की डिजाइनिंग की है. Okay, so in depth we will discuss about raft foundation also. So this all about our presentation, and right now I am going to show you the same project. Okay. Okay. So this is our project number 1. Okay. And this is our architectural plan of this same project. And so you need the plinth level. So now you can see here particular plinth beam. So we are going to assign the different columns. Okay, and then later we are going to draw our plinth beam. Okay, and then this is our first slab level. That means in the half portion we have open terrace. It means here we have terrace, and half area will be useful for our residential purpose, so as per our architectural plan. Then at the terrace cabin level, right? This is our last level. Now you can see in the 3D view, more realistic view. So now you can see the particular 3D view. Okay. So by using ETAP software, we are going to prepare our and transfer our AutoCAD plan into our ETAP model and design the subsequent all the structures. Okay. In more depth, we are not going to show you our actual detailing, right? Due to some privacy. Uh, if you join the session, then we will show you all the things, and we will discuss and we will share all the details with in your personal work, right? In your personal use. Okay. So this is our project number 1. and then this is our project number 2. So this is kind of like a shop as well as restaurant. In the Philippine, in the ground floor we have some shops, and at the first floor we are going to provide a restaurant. So you can see the same. Okay, so you can see here this particular project number 2. Okay, so same open. At a particular planes level, so we are going to provide more plane, okay, because this is a requirement, and how to deal with the plane beam level and all the things we will discuss in subsequent lecture. And this is our particular first floor slab level. Okay. Then this is our particular first floor slab level, where we have some openings over here. You can see here OTS. Okay. Then this particular terrace cabin. Okay, so here we are going to provide the complete step. Okay. And this particular terrace cabin. So we are going to detail in depth, right? So you will learn all the things related to structural drawing. Okay, then our this another project. Okay, we will discuss within 5 minutes related to this project. Okay, I would like to show you this high-rise structure. See, actually, the high-rise structure having the detail, right? Here you can see the reinforcement requirement. I will show you particular one.
Sorry, sir, I'm disturbing you. Can you just once again share your screen, because it's completely blank out on like my side. I'm not able to see your presentation.
Okay. Just one second. I will share my screen. Everyone facing same issue?
No, sir, we don't have any issue.
Okay. So kindly close the meeting and join once again. Okay. आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? आई थिंक सबका क्लियर है, राइट? मेरे फोन से कनेक्टेड हूँ, मेरे भी स्क्रीन शो हो रहा है, तो आप एक बार मीटिंग लेफ्ट करके फिर से जुड़ हो जाओ.
Sir, I left the meeting and again I have joined, but when I joined again, I am not able to see the screen, sir. The one which you have shared.
Okay, I will stop the sharing and start once again.
सर एक काम करो सर, आप लॉग आउट होके आप वापस लॉगिन हो जाओ.
कोई बात नहीं. Okay, so here we are going to discuss.
Sorry for inconvenience.
Here we are.
हाँ 2 मिनट लगेगा सर, लॉग आउट होके लॉगिन होते वापस.
Here you get model participation mass ratio. We are going to detail, that means understand this features. Just one second, it will overload. Okay. So here we get one table. Okay. So table is model.
सर वेट सर, सबको स्क्रीन दिख रही है ना? किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना?
No, sir. No, sir. I am able to view the screen. Yes.
डन. ओके सर, आज स्टार्ट.
हाँ, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो मॉडल, एंड here you can see the modes. Okay. Here you can see mode, mode, and this is our mode cases. So what is the meaning of modal and modes? Okay, I will give you some basic example. Okay, so particularly कुछ इस तरह से हमारा जब हमारा हैंड होगा. ओके, नाउ आई विल, मैं यहाँ पे आपका हैंड पकड़ता हूँ और इसको बेंड करता हूँ. ओके, starting I will assign few loads and I'm going to bend your hand more, bend more, bend more. So what happened? Your hand will try to generate some torsion, right? It will give you some effect on your मतलब body. आपको कुछ उस पर रिएक्शन मिलेगा. मैं इसको बेंड करता जाऊंगा, आपको कुछ रिएक्शन मिलेगा उसका. ये हो रही है चीज. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now a very most important. This is our building. Okay. When you apply wind load, when you apply earthquake force, what happened? Your building will try to bend in different position. It will try to deflect due to load. Building में deflection होगा ना. Okay, just 1 second. Here we are going to assign only one load. So due to this load, building will try to deflect. Is it okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to assign load from another direction, from this direction. So the deflection it in on another side. Okay. Now I am
Yes,
going
sir.
to assign earthquake load in X direction and earthquake load in Z direction at the same time. So your building will try to bend, look like this. Am I right or wrong? So by comparing this all the result, here we get modes. So you can see mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4. Okay, so this is mode. Okay, now we are dealing with this mode. Okay, so you can see here ux, uy. This is our mass participation ratio. When you assign any loads, the 68% weight of structure will active to take the loads. जो आप लोड लगाओगे, राइट, एक्सटर्नल लोड आप अर्थक्वेक फोर्स विंड लोड लगाओगे, तो उसको एक्स डायरेक्शन में जो लोड लगेगा उसमें आपका 68% वेट होगा, तो उसको रेजिस्ट करेगा. ओके, जब आप वाई डायरेक्शन पे लोड लगा रहे हो तब आपको 77% मास मिलेगा रजिस्टर करने के लिए, राइट, उसको बियर करेंगे. ओके, नाउ वेरी मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट, ये तो सही समझ गए, राइट, बट हियर यू कैन सी, हियर यू गेट RZ value. This is the torsional mode. Torsion in X, torsion in Y, torsion in Z. Very most important, your mode 1 and mode 2 is a torsion free. See, everyone did the response spectrum using auto using YouTube. But the very most important to control this RZ. Here you can see only 10% mass. When you learn from YouTube, you never get this result and you never understand how to deal with this thing. So we need to reduce RZ less than 20%. That means less than 20%. Okay. So we are going to deal with this. Okay. So what is the meaning of RZ? So we'll discuss. RZ means your mode 3. You can see here this structure. This is torsional mode, but this is mode number 3. You can see here mode 3. It is visible mode 3. If it is not
Sir,
visible,
actually,
kindly
my screen has been stuck like on the modal participating mass ratios only, so I can't really see what you're talking, like explaining
screen is
right
visible.
now.
मेरे phone से connected है.
Screen, yeah, the screen is visible, but it's freezed at a certain point. Like it's taking a lot of time, maybe due to network issues on my part.
Now you can see here mode 3. यहाँ पे mode 3 दिख रहा है किसी को?
यस
No,
सर,
sir,
यस
यहाँ
दिख रहा है।
हाँ, जिसको नहीं दिखा वो जूम
दिख
करके
रहा है।
देख लो स्क्रीन पे. मोबाइल में से कनेक्ट होगा उसको जूम
Yes.
होगा. तो मोड 3
okay, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
having a, you can see here now, mode 3 having a 67% mass,
63.
right?
Yes, sir.
So we need to allow the torsion in mode 3. So we have to set this structural system look like this. So for this purpose we need to assign the different shear wall, right? Different coupling beams, different columns, column different positioning. So we need to do all the things. Okay. So we'll discuss all the things in our subsequent lecture. Okay, now I will take more 5 minutes, and I would like to show you of my last presentation about eccentric footing with strap beam. Okay. So apart from ETAPS, we will discuss and we will try to give you the detailed discussion about SAP. Okay. So now you can, if you click here, okay, I will go you, I will show you the architectural convention. See here you can see here this all the footing are eccentric footing at the periphery of structure. So what we can do here, we are going to provide a one horizontal beam at a footing level. So you can see here the same thing. So here we are going to deal with this structure also, that how to import this file from ETF to SAFE and prepare this particular layout, and here we are going to design the structure. So you can see here the displacement of this particular structure. Okay, so in my bottom screen you can see the maximum and minimum displacement. Okay, now if you click here, जो हमारे इंस्टाग्राम से कनेक्ट है उससे आई थिंक ये वीडियो देखा होगा, मैंने पर्टिकुलरली इस वीडियो को वहाँ पे अपलोड किया है. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी
अरे क्लास चल रही है मम्मी.
काइंडली म्यूट योर माइक प्लीज. Okay, so in depth we will discuss all the things, how to prepare this. So you can see here the required reinforcement. So this is 2 to 3, and all the places having different reinforcement requirement. So we'll discuss how to deal with this reinforcement and how to prepare the AutoCAD drawing. You can see the beam detailing also. Okay, so here you can see the reinforcement requirements for this particular beam. So we are going to discuss all the things related to this topic. Darpana sir, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. From my side, everything is covered.
Yeah, someone was asking in the chat box, sir, please reply over there.
Okay. Okay.
He was asking some,
Okay.
like Madhu Sultan was asking that you are going to teach the design of compound using ETABS or AutoCAD. It will be ETABS, na sir?
ETABS, definitely. We are going to use the ETABS.
Compound will be designed in the ETABS itself.
And the detailing will done by AutoCAD.
So guys, if you still doubt, you can ask us.
Hi, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Good morning. I have one doubt. This is Madhusudan speaking.
Yes, Madhu.
Yes, as I asked, you're going to tell the detailing of components by using AutoCAD or ETABS, sir. In the sense means by using ETABS results, percentage of steel or area of reinforcement, by using that design of components will be done by AutoCAD or what, sir?
First, we will check the reinforcement from ETABS.
Yes.
And then calculate the numbers of reinforcement requirement by using AutoCAD.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm asking. You're going to teach by AutoCAD or by ETABS
Right.
only, sir?
AutoCAD, definitely AutoCAD.
Yes, by using ETABS results, you are going to teach components of design in AutoCAD, right?
Right.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
So,
excuse me,
so
sir.
one more thing. What about RCDC software and the other things like Excel sheets and everything? What
Yes,
about those?
everything is included,
That
but
part?
due to some time limitation, we are not going to cover all the things in very much detail. RCDC.
But sir,
As of
we will
now,
be
we
using
are not.
RCDC software in this, like in the few projects. Are we going to use those?
Yes, we are going to use, and you can see in the particular screen. Just 1 second, I will show you the ETABS. Sorry, RCDC. Yes, this is RCDC. Here we are going to design this column using RCDC. And you can see here foundation design. Footing design done by using RCDC. And then detailing will also done by using RCDC. जो आप ये डिटेलिंग देख रहे हो वो पर्टिकुलर RCDC की डिटेलिंग है. Okay. Now clear? Hello.
Sir, hello, sir. This is Orko Dasgupta. I want to ask you one thing, sir. Can we do this course from September onwards? Like, is there any availability of this whole internship thing from September onwards? Because right now I'm in a little bit of fixed schedule because I'm preparing for my bar course CS and NRL CBT. So I think it would be great if I could just join in September.
As of now, we have not planned any batch in September month, okay? Because this batch will cover in the 10th of September, around 10th of September. So we have not planned it, but if we will plan, we will inform from the WhatsApp group only. And someone was asking what if I miss the session. So lifetime recording is there. We are providing the recording for the lifetime, not
Sir,
for 1 or 2 months.
Mainly, sir, this will be based, focused on ETABS, the designing, analysis and designing on ETABS and detailing and drafting in AutoCAD, right?
Right.
And the other softwares will be working on it just for the footing or particular component or something like that, like SAFE and RCDC.
Right.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Still, if you have doubt, you can ask.
Sir, what topics will be covered in foundation design?
Like combined footing, eccentric footing, raft foundation, all the things we are going to cover in depth.
Okay, so we are going to do this in SAFE or by manual?
SAFE, definitely SAFE.
And sir, after finishing up all the softwares, we'll also learn the manual calculations, right?
Yes, definitely.
That is very much required.
Definitely.
Yes, okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Is there any doubt?
And guys, we will take the file. So first one will be the residential bungalow. We'll start from the basic residential bungalow, then the low rise, then the high rise, and then the one industrial building is also there. And the fifth one is your project. So you will work on the 5 live project, guys. So definitely it will cover A to Z things of your designing purpose. You can easily design the low-rise building or high-rise building after completion of the internship. Okay. Yes. Now you can ask. Yes, someone was asking.
हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, the time is from 9 p.m. to
From 9 p.m. to 10:30, and if required, sometimes if it is required, then we'll stretch up to 11.
Okay, so it is live session, no, sir?
Daily live session, daily.
Okay, okay, sir.
And the same live session will be uploaded on the our platform, and we will provide you the links. So daily it will be uploaded by within 1 or 2 hours. What if you are what if the question, if you are attending the recorded session and in between the recorded session, if you're down, we will add you in the WhatsApp group where your other friends are also there, and Nikun sir will also there. So he will help you. Okay. Certificate, yes, we will provide you the certificate of internship, which is most valuable. But for that, one condition is that you need to design a project. You need to submit your design. Without design submission, we are not going to provide any certificate. And top 3 students will also receive some surprise gift or medal. Do you have any offline platform? Due to COVID, we have not started any offline.
Hello.
We are planning
Hello,
to
sir.
start the plan from the next year. Okay, it means 2022.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, some time constraints are also there. I mean, I want to. I mean, actually, I want to say, I am a working professional, and I have to go to my office around 10 o'clock morning, and it is up to 6 o'clock. So, will it be any session after 6 o'clock in a day?
That is 9 p.m. only, not 9 a.m. 9 p.m. We are also closing our office at 8 p.m. So we have.
Oh, okay. Sorry for the misunderstanding.
Yes, you are also working professional. We are also working professional.
Yeah.
It is only for the working professional, mainly focused for the working professional, because students can't learn these whole things, but they are thinking that it is not useful, but it is most
Yeah.
useful.
Sir, one more thing. Actually, I do not have any software with me as of now. And will you be able to provide us some links?
Yes. On the first day, we will provide you the software guidance. Okay.
Okay, sir. My questions are completed. I've done my question.
Okay, is there any doubt?
Sir, please open the website. Sir, how to enroll there? How they will know?
Okay.
Sir, open the website.
So please clarify the
as I
fee
told you,
structure.
I will provide you. Yes.
Please clarify the fee structure, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Just one
Fee
second.
structure is 6,000. But those who are enrolling today is the last day. So they will receive the 2,000 rupees coupon code. Sir, write the coupon code August IIT.
Okay. Sir, can I click here?
From the home page, select the softwares you will learn and select the enroll for the structural internship.
Okay.
Yes. Select that, sir.
Okay.
So you will be redirected to the another page, civil engineering structural internship. Here you can find each and every details. Okay, what you will learn. We have mentioned each and everything. You can find it. Sir, scroll down कीजिए sir, बता दीजिए क्या क्या mention है.
Okay, you can see all the things we mentioned here, different software and all the things, right? What you learn here, right?
Some frequently asked question is also there. Sir, now product को add कर दीजिए sir cart में.
Yes,
We will give the link, download the software. Yes, we will provide you the guidance also. Okay, installation guidance. How to install in your, we will provide the video. Okay. How to install. Sir, coupon डालिए sir August IIT.
Okay, August IIT. Click apply coupon.
So it will be 4,000.
Okay, now your
2,000 rupees discount code is there, and pay through the UPI. Okay, as the success ratio from the UPI is 100%. Don't pay through the debit or credit card. It is valid, but don't pay through that. This is Paytm gateway, so don't worry about the gateway. We have purchased the Paytm gateway. Sir, next कीजिए sir, आ जाएगा Paytm gateway ऐसा. Nice site पे next कीजिए.
Okay.
This is not our gateway. This is the Paytm gateway. Okay, you can see here Paytm. Okay, all-in-one payment. So we have bought the Paytm gateway, and don't pay through the Paytm wallet or else. Just pay through the UPI. Okay, as you are paying, you will receive an email. automatically you will receive an email in which we will provide you the bill for this purchase as well as WhatsApp group link. So just join the WhatsApp group from there. Okay. One more thing. If you are joining in the group of 3, coupon code is August IIT. August IIT. I will write down here. If you are joining as the group of 3, then the AutoCAD and Revit. Sir, please write down the August IIT in chat box. I am unable to write. If you are joining as a group of 3,
I'll
then
write here.
AutoCAD and Revit will be free of cost. And if you are joining as a group of 5, then AutoCAD, Revit and Primavera will be free of cost. Basics of AutoCAD Primavera, okay? And Revit will be in depth by our architect. Okay. So one more thing you can do, you can write down your number here and you can form a group form here only. आप यहाँ पे अपना नंबर टाइप कर दो जिस दिन को ज्वाइन होना है एंड ग्रुप को 5 बना लो. मैसेज टाइप में जाओ, अपना नंबर टाइप कर दो जैसे लास्ट टाइम स्टूडेंट्स ने किया था एंड वो अलाउ कर रहे हैं आपको. तो यहीं से ग्रुप ऑफ 5 हो जाओ और ये तीनों सॉफ्टवेयर भी ले लो. ठीक है.
So we can't study separately, sir. Primavera.
Only Primavera is not there. Basics of Primavera is there for the group of 5. That's what I am telling you now. Just write down your contact number in the chat box and contact with each other. Okay. Yes, Ankit is there. Anyone wants to join with Ankit? Like group of 5. You can form a group of 5.
Sir, we are unable to type anything.
No problem, sir. एक बार WhatsApp पे चैट अनब्लॉक कर देना तो ये सर डायरेक्टली वहाँ पे कांटेक्ट कर लेंगे. So बेटर रहेगा उसके लिए.
ठीक है ठीक है. आप एक काम कीजिए. यस, मैं WhatsApp पे चैट अपने ओपन कर रहा हूँ. आप लोग वहीं से एक ग्रुप बना लीजिए अपना दूसरा और फिर मेरे को मैसेज कर दो है ना कि ये ग्रुप हमारा हो गया. आप यू कैन फॉर्म अ ग्रुप ऑफ 5 or 10 whatever you are receiving. Okay. So we can provide you the AutoCAD Revit and Primavera also. And enroll by today itself. And today there is a lecture for 3 hours. In the evening there is a lecture for 3 hours. Who are joining today? For those students only, we have arranged the lecture for 3 hours. And from the next Sunday there will be holiday. But today there is lecture. Do you have any other doubt, guys?
हाँ सर, ये इंटर्नशिप फर्दर स्टडीज में काम आ सकती है अब्रॉड के लिए?
क्यों नहीं आएगी? आप कहीं पे भी जाओ, स्ट्रक्चर में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो तो 100% आएगी. नॉलेज कभी भी वेस्ट नहीं जाता है.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And sir, after completion of this
Class is Monday to Friday, sir.
Monday to Saturday.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
On the Sunday there will be extra classes for those students who are unable to cope up with us. Right? For those who have like not much knowledge about the structure. For those who will, what are you going to teach today? निकुंज सर, आज क्या पढ़ाओगे आप?
Okay. So hello. Sir, I am audible. हाँ हाँ. एक्चुअली आज हम पर्टिकुलरली स्टार्टिंग करेंगे बेसिक से, जिसमें हम आपको इंस्टॉलेशन गाइड देंगे जिसमें आप सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉलेशन करोगे. उसके बाद हम आपको टिप्स के जो यहाँ पे आपको स्टार्टिंग में सेशन दिखे थे, राइट, द फर्स्ट डे we will discuss about basic overview of ETABS, then preparation of our different grid system, and then preparation of our particular beam and truss models, then detailed discussion about our ETABS software, and final and the last we will discuss our live project, that preparation of our column positioning. Okay.
Yes.
But sir, I had just one last question. That is, can you just please type the August 11 or whatever the code was? Can you just type it in your demo lecture group?
What?
August. Okay, sir, I got it right now. Thank you. And so the class
August
will start from
code.
tomorrow, right? From tomorrow 9 p.m. or from today onwards 9 p.m.
Daily 9 p.m. Daily class timing will be 9 p.m. Okay.
From
But
tomorrow or
today
today?
we will take today we will take the brief of the session, which will be around 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. Okay. And today it will start from the 6 p.m.
Okay, today will start from. Sir, today I'll not be available. So today is it gonna be a lot of things which will be
No.
discussed?
No.
As the today is the first session, it will be like the orientation program.
Orientation. Okay, so you'll just give a brief detail about every software and then give all the links from where to download and.
Installation guide. Installation guide. Installation guide will be posted in the WhatsApp group only. So you can join the WhatsApp group, and where there will provide the videos. We have already created the videos, and we have also uploaded in our YouTube channel. So we'll provide the
Oh,
links.
okay. So I'll
And
just get the links from there because I won't be available tonight. So from tomorrow onwards, I can do the normal classes because everything is going to begin from tomorrow onwards only.
yes,
I
but you need to also watch the recorded session. Okay.
Yeah, I will watch it, but
Yes.
I can't attend the live one today. That's it.
Oh, no worries. If you are not attending the live, it is not a matter. But you need to watch the same because each and everything are depend on each other. So
Yes,
never
yes,
miss
yes.
the
Yes, sir. Yes. So I'll get
in the
the
structure,
recording
there
in
is
the
a
WhatsApp group.
in the structure there is a major thing. We are just ignoring the one lecture, and then we won't be able to cope up with sir. So don't miss any lecture. If you are somehow if you are missing, then you can watch the session before the next lecture. You
Yes, sir.
should.
I plan on doing that.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, I just need to ask one thing for the tall structures. Are we going to consider the gust factor and everything? And because for the tall structure, most of the few of the consultancy goes, they calculate the data manually and then they apply it to the tall structures.
Definitely,
So do
we'll
we have
calculate
like
manually.
that concept?
Nikun sir.
Definitely, we'll calculate manually by using Excel sheet.
Okay, so those things would be provided, like
Definitely,
calculation with
definitely,
and everything.
definitely.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So now kindly,
Sir, I will get the recording links in the WhatsApp demo group only, or I'll get a new link group
Email.
after I.
Email. You will receive daily email. Okay.
Okay,
Recording
okay,
sessions.
okay.
Yes.
so
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
now kindly open your video chat. So I will take a screenshot for this event. So kindly start your videos. So we have 20 to 21 students.
अभी किसी को डाउट है तो पूछ लो पहले, फिर वीडियो ऑन करके एक स्नैपशॉट लेंगे, फिर मीटिंग ऑफ कर देंगे. किसी को कुछ डाउट है पूछ सकते हो.
ओके, तब तक आप आपके सारे वीडियोस ऑन कर दो जिसको भी डाउट हो रहा है, राइट?
ठीक है. यस, ठीक है. प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो. इट विल बी यूजुअल.
काइंडली एक बार स्टार्ट कर दो आपका थोड़ा सा वीडियो. सो आई विल टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. Everyone guys, kindly do it please. So we'll take a screenshot and we will close the session, close the meeting.
Please turn on your camera.
Okay. Okay, total we have 70 students. Kindly like आपका videos on कर दो please. Just for 2 minutes, okay? Okay. Okay. सर किसी का कुछ डाउट्स एक देख लो थोड़ा सा. When the next batch start?
But we have not planned for the next batch yet, buddy. Maybe it is possible we start in the December. Okay.
Okay, so now I will take a screenshot, okay? ओके सर, तो यहाँ पे मीटिंग क्लोज करते हैं, ठीक है?
यस निको सर, थैंक यू सो मच. आज हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा नया. एंड थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर बीइंग विद अस. होप टू सी यू ऑल इन आवर इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys.